Hi, Andrew here with the plan of the week. Great news! We sold more than 750,000 copies of the Masterpreneur Playbook. April Fools, not quite that many, but working on it. Watch out for more April Fool's Day pranks on this Wednesday. This week's featured course is Be Most Likely to Succeed. This course is for those seeking practical steps to position themselves for success. Our expert of the week is Precious L. Williams, CEO of the Perfect Pitch Group. Click the link below to check out her top 3 tips for small business success. And Dr. Jonas, known as Mr. Enthusiastic Gadsden, is our featured small business owner of the week. Explore the links below to learn more about him and his business. Do you want to maximize the impact of your marketing spend? If so, you'll want to check out our live stream tomorrow evening. I'll be talking with Amber Gage on how not to get duped by so-called marketing experts by protecting your cash and demanding real ROI. Last week, I spoke with Hurley Fox about working on the concept of your business. Check out the video highlights below. Also, you don't want to miss our new podcast on Thursday morning with Anthony Conover on working on the future of your business. Additional events this week. On Tuesday, UCEDC is hosting a live webinar about starting a business in New Jersey. Also, I invite you to join me for Akaba's Online Biz Connect on Wednesday morning. Make sure to save the dates for our upcoming events, the Masterpreneur of the Year Awards celebration on Thursday evening, July 30th, and the Masterpreneur Growth Symposium on Friday, July 31st, both at the Park Avenue Club in Florham Park, New Jersey. Get more details on these events below in the POW, and check out our website events calendar page for more details about upcoming events. Scroll down through the POW for business tips, opportunities, and more event details. I look forward to helping you make 2025 your best year ever. And always remember, the more that you know, the faster your business will grow.